Big mad, bit mad. Is you mad? Is you small mad? Let's talk about it a little bit. Motivation.
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Yeah. Welcome to another edition. Quick edition. Trucking with Loshawnparks. You could have been anywhere else in the world. Even big man. But you here with me. I appreciate that. As always, okay? Is you mad? That's what the video is gonna be about. Is you mad? You don't like the way I'm running the operation, as if it's any of your concern. But this goes out to you, and you. Goes out, man, to anybody who big mad on the way that I run my operation. Anyway, no matter. Anybody who feels like the way that I'm telling or conveying the way that I run my operation is incorrect. You gotta stop being, look, man, you can't let this get to you. You can't, okay? So, for all the people that don't like me, okay, or feel like I got Operation Dumbo over here, I got something for you today, okay? And no, it's not gonna come from me. It's not gonna come from me, okay? No, it's not gonna come from me. It's gonna come from my man T.I. Yeah, T.I. dropped something real deep. And maybe with this clip that I'm gonna give to you, or that T.I., actually courtesy of T.I., shout outs to the king, that he gonna give to you, maybe that help you with that big mad. Maybe they help you with the big mad, so then, T.I. can explain to you exactly why you just gotta chill, man. You gotta chill and worry about yourself. You know what I'm saying? Self-wealth, self-preservation. Say you can't save them all. You gotta save yourself, okay? And that's the only thing that you should be concerned with. Not how Parks Motor Group is doing it. Not how I don't like it like that. Don't sell a percentage. Don't sell the equity. Don't grow a fleet inside of a fleet. You do what works for you. But don't be big mad when I project that this time next year that I'm going to be rocking somewhere about 30 plus. Give or take. Maybe a little bit under, maybe 2 under, maybe 2 above. Give or take. It's not a good painting to be that big mad, okay? Stop showing fake love and start bigging up. When those individuals, or when individuals that are big mad, start realizing that it's just best to show love, not fake love. We talking about to show support, love, salute what you got going on. The woosah is just so much easier to breathe. The air, so much cleaner up here. Or even in the situation we're in. What I'm trying to say. Breathe easy, okay? Once again, kind of like a big deal, okay? And this time next year, once again, I quote, I will be somewhere around 30 plus trucks. Just a projection, give or take. But I'm damn sure going push for that number. I was projected to do about 5 trucks this year. I projected myself 5 trucks for the year got out. Now it's 8, you know what I mean? With the help of silent partners. And it's never been a bad thing to have silent partners, right? Because most of these big companies that are out here in the world have a lot of silent partners, have a lot of silent investors. They do. Don't think that they did this brick by themselves. Even down to with Prime Inc. A lot of y'all may not know the history and the story, but you know, before Miss Lowe passed away, she helped Rob get Prime Inc. up off the ground. Okay, another person investing, you know, helping out, you know, having a division, you know, ran a flatbed tanker division. Anyway, that ain't what the video about. T.I., let's tell them how to woo-saw and how if you keep pissing them off, you're going to continue to win, okay? You're going to continue to win, and that's what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to be here for the ones that don't like what I do or critique and criticize what I do. I'm going to continue to make you big mad, all right? Because each time that I continue to piss you off and I keep elevating, elevate, I'm winning. All right? Big man. So, focus on what you got going on, bruh. All right? Focus on what you got going on. And don't ever knock the next man if before he was down here compared to where you were at, and he stepped up here to where you were at, or even if the person surpasses you. I'm mad at him. You congratulate. That's real love. That's what real businessmen do. See everybody strive and be great. Matter of fact, I want the people that are invested with me, they coming up with me. And then if they want to go out and do their own thing, I'm going to salute them. And my whole motto to them is, don't be like me, be better than me, do better than me. If I got 20, 30 trucks, I want you to come back and say, yo man, I got 40 trucks now, man, thanks to us working as a partner in this business or partnership. And I'm gonna salute that all day. I ain't gonna never hate on it and try to make up reasons why this person elevated past me. Man, nah. Let's tell people, man, Fortune 500 is where I'm gonna be at, all right? And for those out there that are striving to be there and to be successful like that, don't meet me there. I want y'all to beat me there, all right? Don't meet me there, beat me there. And when you get up there, I'm gonna salute to you. And if I beat you there, then when you come up there, it's the same love, same salute. Rambled on enough. T.I., let's finish the video out with you, all right? Salute.
If I may have a word with all the love deprived, nose ass, miserable bitches out there that love company. Please, man, don't ruin our day. You know what I'm saying? Eating breakfast. You know, preparing for success. Living our best lives. We don't need you to come out here, man, sprinkling rumors in our world, man. You know what I'm saying? Just mind your business, man. Get yourself together. Worry about you. We straight over here, all right? And we intend to keep it that way. No thanks to you. Y'all ain't happy unless a motherfucker unhappy. Every time you see a motherfucker happy, you just want to go around and find ways to make motherfuckers unhappy. Make stuff up where ain't nothing to be there. Just create stuff. Just if you ain't got a story, you just make one up. Get that bullshit out your life. And that funky shit off your breath. Do something productive. Goodbye.